Hello everyone and welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today, we're drawing one of the most iconic comic book heroes ever created, the Phantom. Known as the Ghost Who Walks, the Phantom has inspired generations of comic book fans with his mysterious appearance, fearless personality, and timeless costume. We'll begin by sketching the basic outline of the head. Don't worry about making everything perfect at this stage. Light lines make it easier to adjust the proportions as we move forward. Next, we'll create the famous cowboy-style hat. The wide brim gives the character a unique silhouette, so take your time shaping both sides evenly. Once the hat is complete, we can move to the face. Now, let's draw the face. The Phantom's face is simple yet powerful. The sharp jawline and strong chin helped create his heroic look. Keep your lines smooth and confident. The eyes are one of the most important parts of this drawing. Notice how narrow and intense they are. By adding dark shading around the eyes, we instantly create a mysterious expression that matches the character's personality. After finishing the face, we'll move to the neck and costume. Draw the neck with clean straight lines, then add the folds of the cape or scarf around the shoulders. These simple folds add depth without making the drawing too complicated. At this point, our sketch is almost complete. Now it's time to go over the drawing with darker, cleaner lines. This step makes the artwork stand out and gives it a polished comic book appearance. As you ink the drawing, remember that line, "Confidence is more important than speed." Slow, steady strokes usually produce the best results. You can also add small shadows around the eyes, under the hat, and beneath the chin. These shadows help create depth and make the character look much more dramatic. One of the best things about drawing comic characters is learning how simple shapes combine to create strong designs. Even though the Phantom has a minimal costume, every line contributes to his legendary appearance. If your drawing doesn't look exactly like mine, that's completely okay. Every artist develops their own style over time. The most important thing is to keep practicing consistently. Every sketch teaches you something new. I hope this tutorial helped you improve your drawing skills while having fun, creating one of comics' greatest heroes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Hobbyist Artist and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future drawing tutorials. Let me know in the comments which superhero or comic character you'd like me to draw next. Your suggestions help decide future videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Hobbyist Artist. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, never stop drawing. See you in the next video.